it down.
Wi-Fi Inverter NEX portable air conditioners utilize the most innovative technology that allows the compressor to optimize efficiency to increase cooling capacity by at least 20% while also saving up to 40% more energy. This versatile unit has different modes: cool, dehumidify, fan, and heat, as well as a convenient 24-hour on-off timer that allows you to customize your specific cooling schedule. A fully automatic 80-degree flexible airflow louver optimizes the air distribution in the room. The patented self-evaporating function of this portable air conditioner fully exhausts all condensation automatically in most environments. The Whynter NEX portable air conditioners can be drained from the upper or lower drain port. To use the upper drain, install the continuous gravity hose onto the hose port. The Whynter portable air conditioners include a complete window slider and hose installation kit. When using the portable air conditioner unit, hot air must be exhausted out of the room to complete the air exchange of the condenser. The innovative hose-in-hose design minimizes heat leakage and maximizes cooling. The extended window kit has been designed to fit most standard vertical and horizontal windows. To install, open the window approximately 15 inches. Adjust the length of the window bars to the same length and width of the opening of the window. Close the window on the window slide bars. Move the unit to the window, extend the hoses, and attach the connector modules to the window slide bar. For vertical windows, assemble and use the vertical connector modules. Align the slots on the hose connector to the tabs on the fixture and snap the hose to the window slide bar. Control the Whynter portable air conditioner and customize your settings and cooling schedule anywhere with the NetHome Plus app for Android and iOS smartphones. This smart unit also works with Google Assistant and Alexa. Hey Google, turn on my Whynter portable air conditioner.
Got it. Changing the Whynter portable AC to cool.
Smart, efficient, and easy to set up, the Whynter NEX Inverter dual hose portable air conditioners offer cooling relief for any area where excess humidity and heat cannot be remedied by traditional air conditioning.
plan a trip or go off-grid with family, the summer heat makes you think twice. Until now, Zero Breeze, a pioneer and outdoor air conditioner, keeps upgrading. Today, we bring to you the Mark III. It's the lightest, smallest, and most powerful portable air conditioner, boasting twice the cooling capacity of the Mark II while staying same compact. Mark III ensures a comfortable night and a refreshed morning. You can easily take the Mark III on any adventure, even your rooftop tent. Outdoor living comfort isn't just an option, it's a necessity. Press a button to cool down. Thermostat settings allow you to customize the temperature of the air outlet or the room. Seven modes tailored for you, no matter cooling or heating. When outdoor fun peaks, a break can be a game changer. All modes can easily handle your needs. Set temperature at care or rocket mode. You will feel cool in no time. Outdoor adventures aren't always about perfect weather, like a surprise rainstorm. But with the Mark III, no more stickiness or waking up in a clammy tent. It operates at 46 decibels. And that means you won't even notice it's there. The active drain system allows the drain pipe to be 59 inches higher than the drain outlet. And we upgraded the power supply system. It ensures you stay powered up no matter where you are. It's not just an AC, it's a 48 voltage cooling system supporting charging and discharging simultaneously. From scorching heat to chilly nights, the Mark III is your all-season solution. This is the revolutionary Mark III. It is your must-have for outdoor life. Now join our campaign and let's redefine the outdoor comfort industry together.